Do you like fried chicken? I suppose you do. When you make fried chicken, you use a lot of oil to make the fried chicken, right? But today I'm not going to be using oil. I'm going to use an air fryer. So we have some chicken over here which I'm going to put in the air fryer for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. So put all the chicken. Because this is oil free, it's going to be very healthy. Okay, now that we are done with the chicken, this is 180 or 170. Okay, and then you turn it on 15 minutes. Now we wait. So the chicken is almost done. Yes, and we'll see if it's ready. Still a bit more, isn't it? A bit more.
It's almost ready.
Almost ready. Then we put it for 200 for 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Put it at 200. 3 minutes. Yeah. Now we wait. Let's see if it's ready or not. We've waited 3 minutes. It's almost about to be done. But I'm going to push it.
Okay.
Okay. You see, still not done. Isn't it?
Yes.
It is done?
Yes. Chicken fry, right?
A bit more, I think. Oh, definitely over. It's definitely cooked. Really tasty. So I think you guys should try it out. This definitely looks like a chicken 65, right? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys. Forgot to tell you this. So under the air fryer, there is a lot of oil, as you can see. And usually we put a lot of oil in our chicken, but I am instead taking all the oil from the chicken to make it healthier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Very hot.